In the era of smart factories, every moment of production data is crucial. Effective data management is the key to competitive success. The MES system can track and record all production data, but what the MES system vendors didn't tell you is that you have to handle the massive data storage by yourself. A single AOI machine can generate up to hundreds of GB of data in one day. When the factory operates at full capacity, the accumulation of data increases rapidly, and traditional storage solutions are no longer adequate. QNAP NAS offers a flexible data storage management solution specifically designed for MES systems, not only enhancing storage management efficiency but also ensuring data security. QFiling's recycling task feature makes automated data management possible. You can customize data retention rules based on folder type, and when space reaches a threshold, the system automatically cleans up the oldest files to prevent production interruptions due to inability to write data. The QTS Hero NAS brings the worm feature, ensuring that once production data is written, it cannot be altered, providing absolute data integrity. Data generated by the MES system can also be centralized in the NAS's file station. A complete production tracking system is the key to quality management. The QVR video surveillance system records real-time footage of each production node, fully integrated with the MES system via API. QFiling can also overlay employee numbers or other production data onto the videos as watermarks. This allows you to scan a product's barcode and watch a detailed information video that traces its entire production history. QNAP's ADRA NDR system runs on the QGD switch, monitoring all endpoint devices, detecting and defending against ransomware attacks in real time, protecting your critical infrastructure. As more and more manufacturers witness the transformative power of QNAP solutions, it's time for you to experience the future of smart manufacturing. Don't let data management be a bottleneck in production. QNAP empowers smart manufacturing.